Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fold a napkin into a snowflake. I'll be using a cloth napkin, but this also works well with a paper napkin. Now we're going to start by folding both of these edges into the center. Next we'll fold both of these edges into the center. Now make sure you crease that down firmly. And then we'll unfold this edge and then fold this edge into that crease that we just made. Next we're going to pick this up, making a mountain fold right where this edge runs, and then we're going to bring that up to this edge. So we'll fold it right along that edge and then bring it up to there. Next we're going to repeat those steps on the top side. So we'll unfold that and bring that edge into that crease. Then pick that crease up and bring it into the other edge. Next we'll turn that over and then fold it in half from this side. Next, if you look at the left side here, you'll see there's a bunch of little pockets. So we're going to start on this top part. We're going to fold this corner into that first pocket. Just like that. Then we're going to do that with these next three corners. Then we'll repeat all of those steps on the right side. Next, if you fold that in half, and then stand it up, now we're going to bring these edges from one side over to the other. Until it looks about like that. Then just move the edges around and straighten it all up. Let's try to make it look symmetrical. And we are all done. Now I do have a playlist full of napkin folding tutorials that you can check out. I'll link to that right here and in the description. But if you liked this video, make sure to subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.